Welcome you all. Today's lecture topic is role of humus in soil properties. First of all, we have to know what is humus. Humus means any organic matter which has reached a point of stability where it will break down no further. मीन्स ह्यूमस क्या है? ह्यूमस ऐसा ऑर्गेनिक मैटर है जिसका ब्रेक डाउन हो चुका है और वो स्टेबल लेवल पे पहुंच चुका है, अब फर्दर उसका ब्रेक डाउन पॉसिबल नहीं है। ह्यूमस का फॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है? ह्यूमस का फॉर्मेशन होता है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो प्लांट है उसके जो रेजिड्यूज हैं, उसके लीफ है, स्टेम है, वो सॉइल के सरफेस पे गिरेंगे, फिर उनका डीकम्पोजिशन स्टार्ट होगा और फाइनल प्रोडक्ट क्या बनेगा? ह्यूमस। जब ह्यूमस का फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है तो उसका डीकम्पोजिशन क्या होगा? रुक जाएगा। इन एग्रीकल्चर ह्यूमस इज ऑफन यूज्ड सिंपली टू मीन mature compost or natural compost extracted from a forest or other spontaneous source। एग्रीकल्चर में क्या करेंगे? कल्टीवेशन के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? कंपोस्ट चाहिए। इसे नेचुरल कंपोस्ट क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि ऑर्गेनिक मैटर के डिकम्पोजिशन के बाद फाइनल प्रोडक्ट क्या है? ह्यूमस है फाइनल प्रोडक्ट, और इसमें मिनरल एलिमेंट्स की जो जिसको भी प्लांट के ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए नीड है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हायर अमाउंट में होते हैं। और ये क्या? एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम अ फॉरेस्ट। फॉरेस्ट से ही हमें ये ज़्यादातर क्यों मिलता है ज़्यादा अमाउंट में? क्योंकि फॉरेस्ट में क्या होता है? फॉरेस्ट में जो ट्री की डेंसिटी है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, तो उसमें ट्री के जो रेजिड्यू होते हैं वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा फॉल होते हैं और सॉइल की लेयर पे डिकम्पोजिशन कंटिन्यूएशनली चलता रहता है। It is a natural body having variable heterogeneous mass. Soil humus is also known as soil skin या flesh. Soil humus mixture of organic compounds produced upon decomposition of plant tissues, structureless component of the soil fraction primarily derived from the decomposition of organic matter and by microbial synthesis of biological products. Importance of soil humus: the process that converts raw organic matter into humus feeds the soil population of microorganisms and other creatures, thus maintaining high and healthy levels of soil life. Improves soil physical condition by lowering bulk density of soil and increasing soil water holding capacity, infiltration rate, improved structure. Effective humus and stable humus are further source of nutritive to microbes. The former provides a readily available supply and the latter acts as a longer term storage reservoir. Decomposition of dead plant material cause complex organic compounds to be slowly oxidized and form a simpler form which are further transformed into microbial biomass or recognized and further oxidized into humus substances which binds to clay, mineral and metal hydroxide. Composition of humus: humus can be divided into different humic substances: fulvic acid which are soluble in water of any acidity, humic acids which are darker in color and soluble in all but the most acidic conditions, and humin, the insoluble portion of the humus. Influence on soil properties. Soil structure: humus has a profound effect on the soil structure of many soils. A humus-rich topsoil allows easier tilling, reduced erosion, less frequent irrigation, and better root growth. Promotes fragmentation into clay soil that facilitate draining, soil tilling, and root development. Intensive tillage: deterioration of structure less severe in soil adequately supplied with humus. When humus is lost, soil tend to become hard, compact, and cloudy. Aeration, water holding capacity, and permeability: all these properties of the soil favorably affected by the humus. The frequent addition of easily decomposable organic residues leads to the synthesis of complex organic compounds that bind soil particles into structural units called aggregates. These aggregates help to maintain a loose, open granule condition. Water is the better able to infiltrate the percolate downwards through the soil. The roots of plants need a continual supply of oxygen in order to respire and grow. Large pores permit better exchange of gases between soil and atmosphere. Humus usually increases the ability of the soil to resist erosion. It enables the soil to hold more water. Other properties: buffering capacity. Humus colloids protects microbes and plants from excessive damaging sodium, magnesium and potassium minerals that are positively charged and attracted to the negative charge of the humus colloids. The colloids also buffer and enhance carbon, sulfur, phosphorus and nitrogen. Additionally, humus can form complex with metal ions and compounds including toxic pollutants. This property can reduce toxicity and capture pollutants. How to maintain or increase the level of humus in soil? It is important to ensure a steady, adequate supply of crop residues and organic matter. Use low or no tillage practices. Responsibly fertilize crop to increase plant mass and grow cover crop. Thank you.